Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning Pilipinas at dito sa US, magandang umaga. Sunday po ngayon. So today, we'll talk about basic stuff and what you need to know on our nail guns. So maraming sizes ang nail guns. And just for the sake of demonstration, so papakita ko muna sa inyo ang ibang klaseng nails, but we will talk about it in the other video because this video is focusing on nail guns, yung kaniyang function at saka yung parts niya, kung paano siya gamitin. So simple and basic, pero kasi pag alam mo nyo ang basic is kahit anong tools na gamitin nyo, kahit anong brand, then you will be comfortable using it. And by the way, sa mga new viewers and to all my subscribers, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for watching and taking your time watching this video. Alright, without further ado, so mag-umpisa muna tayo sa background kasi ang nails, ang nakikita nyo, demonstrate ko ngayon itong tinatawag na 2-in-1. So what it doesn't mean is it would accept crown type of nails and brad nails. So later na yan. So ito muna, ito yung another nails which is framing nails. So ito malaking kailangan na gamiting baril. Then ito is for my roofing nails. So iba namang klase yan. Ito is another 15 degree. Pino-show ko lang sa inyo kasi baka sa iba-iba iba-ibang klase. So marami because of angle. This one is 20 degree, 16 gauge. So explain ko that in a separate video or later on, just wrap up. So this is 16 gauge. Ito naman is yung crown. So ang crown meron siyang wide at saka yung thin or mas maliit siya. So meron siyang medyo ganito kalapad, so that is wide. This one is kinda narrow. It called narrow. Okay? So ito may length din to. Okay? So dapat yung malaman para kung bibili kayo is alam nyo kung anong needs nyo. So I'll give you an idea. Okay? So this one right here, it is a finishing nail. Kung makikita nyo, this is the brad nail. It look like the same in the camera, pero iba yan. Yung kapal niya, tingnan nyo. Tingnan yan. So, ito is a finishing nail. Yung length niya parehas lang sa I think 1.5. This one is brad nail. So, ito kaya niyang i-accept. This one, can't. Why? Magja-jam siya. Okay, so dapat malaman nyo yan. Then, yan yung pinaka-importante. So, pupunta na tayo sa ating gun. So, ito yung basic natin. Dapat muna nating malaman. So, ito ang parts ng isang nail guns na pneumatic. Which means, yung power niya dito is coming from an air hose or air compressor. So, before you use this one, kailangan nyo ng air compressor. And later on, if I have time, then I'll explain, for the novice or for those people that hasn't have a compressor, then i-explain ko rin yun sa ibang video. So yun, dito yung source natin. So pneumatic siya, it means na kailangan natin ng power to push the nail. So ito yung magazine niya. So lock siya. Ito yung release niya. So if you take it out, like mag-release siya automatic. Yung lock niya. So kung maglo-load ka sa Wisay, i-open mo yon, release mo siya. So ipapasok mo to, either kung gusto mo yung dito mayroon siyang slot. Yan, pwede. Itong brad nail, pwede rin yan. So sa Wisay, gusto mo ng crown na gamit, di itong gamitin mo. Kung gusto nyong brad nail yung kailangan mo sa project mo, then pwede rin siya. So yan yung purpose ng line na ito. Ito yung mga height or length ng nails kung saan siya tatama. So tulad niyan, dyan siya. So i-lock mo. So okay siya. Ito yung trigger niya kung gusto mo siyang gamitin. So ito yung safety tip niya. So ito, once na ilagay mo siya ng ganon without pushing it down, and hindi siya mag-on kung nakaganito lang siya. So you have to press it down then bago mo i-pull yung trigger. I'm gonna show you later how it works. So yung isang ito, yung kung nakikita nyo, pag mag-jam yung nails natin, so i-open mo siya, yan, makikita mo dito yung nails. So take it out. Pag i-take out nyo, then balik ulit. Okay. Then ready to go. But before doing that, for safety, lalo na pag mag-jam, kailangan yung tanggalin yung hose dito. Okay. Then dito sa likod, ito yung air niya, kung pwede siyang ma-adjust kung saan siya pupunta yung hangin. Kasi nangyayari, pagpasok ng hangin dito, may piston ito. Then yan yung magpupush ng nails natin. At yung the rest na hindi nagamit, kasi quick lang yan, doon lalabas sa likod. So be aware with this one too, because sometimes like magtrabaho kay sa mata mo napupunta, so kailangan mong aware ka. So yun yung pinaka basic na pwede nyong malaman sa isang nail guns. And aside from that, so makikita nyo dito, so pasensya na, bit up na kasi ito. So ito crown, so kaya niyang i-accept yung 14, okay, 14 na yung ano niya, laki. So 18 gauge siya. So merong 16, merong 15. So tingnan nyo rin yan. Dapat mag-match itong mga nails nyo. So tulad ngayon ito, kung gagamitan natin ng wide, so it doesn't work. So brad nails siya. So kaya yung crown 14 inch, yung 14 yung haba niya, yung 1/4, I'm sorry, 1/4 to 1 and 5/8 long. So yan yung haba ng crown na pwede niyang i-accept. And 18 gauge. So kung gagamit kayo ng brad nails like this, so yung pwede niya ma-accept is 1 up to 2 inches long. Okay, so 1 and 5/8 to 2 inches long. Yan yung pwede niyang ma-accept ng baril na ito. And makikita nyo rin dito yung PSI na maximum is up to 120 PSI. So I'll explain that in my video sa mga compressor. So yan yung magdidictate ng how deep or how strong you want your air to push the nails on your stock. So depende yan kung anong project yung ginagawa nyo. So okay guys, so ayan, hopefully mabigyan kayo ng idea kung ano ang dapat yung malaman with regards to nail guns. Okay, alright, ngayon guys, i-show ko na sa inyo kung quick lang kung ano at kung paano ito mag-work. So now meron na tayo ditong airline or air supply. So meron na tayong source ng power. Then i-open natin yung magazine. Ilalagay natin tong brad nail. And by the way, like I said earlier, yung maximum niya kaya niyang i-accept is 120 PSI. So pag ganito, nandun lang ako sa 90 PSI. So that's really good enough para mag-drive yung nails. Okay? So ganito lang, ipasok siya. Then you lock. And then ito i-press. Then yan. Ayan na siya. So dapat naka-recess, then trigger. So makikita nyo guys. Ayan. So, that's it guys. Maraming salamat for watching. Sana meron kayong natutunan. At least somehow will give you more confidence. Marami pa tayong video i-share sa inyo to develop your skill at saka makapagbigay sa inyo ng confidence. So, stay tuned lang lagi. And maraming salamat for all my subscriber. At sa paka hindi pa nag-subscribe is mag-subscribe na lang po kayo. See you on my next video guys. Happy Sunday.